Okay, so we're going to be spending 2 hours a day with each other for the next 5 days, which is super cool. So our objective then is to become very comfortable with Python. And like I said, bridge the gaps. And then by the end of the course, we're hoping that we're all going to be making our own games, which will be super exciting. Computers can't actually speak in that language. They speak in very simply zeros. So just like if I were to visit somewhere like Spain, I can't speak Spanish. I would need to have an interpreter. So they would have to break it down into a language that I understood, which would be English, and they'd have to translate that code from the Spanish over to English so that I could understand it.
It's almost like paragraphs or chapters in a book. You name your chapter, but then you don't actually look at your chapter unless you read the chapter.
I found two.
Okay, try that.
Yep, let's see now. Hope it works. Yes, it's working successfully.
Okay, scroll up. Okay, stop. Line 62, add a S to the end of cloud.
Oh, I get it now.